Hi, my name is Mohamad Amirul bin Zuraimi. My matric number is 267554.
Hi, my name is Luqman Danish bin Romli. My matric number 264154.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Rasul bin Ahmad Razali. My matric number 268049. Thank you.
Hi. Okay. For today, we have done our class, and right now we are making the video for our EP assessment video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And our topic that we choose for our EP assessment video is the nature.
Nature.
And we have done choose 3 places. And the first one is Hidden Lake. The second one,
Bamboo Place.
And the last one is Bukit Raya.
yeah. Okay. We will start our video by tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi. We are back. So today, in the morning, right now it's 6:55 a.m. and right now we are going to the first place. There is Bukit Bunga Raya. So from here to go there in 2 or 3 minutes. So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, we have arrived at our first place. There is Bukit Bunga Raya. Bukit Bunga Raya is located in Sintok, Kedah, near University Utara Malaysia. This style is 600 feet by 1.2 km and not so high. Because of this distance and height allows the entire family from the baby until the elderly can climb it. Bukit Bunga Raya has been popular since the last 2 years after the trees were cut down and suitable for climbing. To get to the top of Bukit Bunga Raya, we must climb. So, let's go to the top.
At the top, so as you can see at the right of me, the view of UUM, the view of so nice. Then the sunrise. Okay. Hi. So we have already reached our destination. This is Bukit Raya logo at the top of Bukit Raya. So as you can see, the view, the beautiful view. Okay, you also can enjoy the fresh air. Okay, and then you can see the beauty of green plants in the area of UUM. Okay, see. Very beautiful. Okay. For your informations at the top of here. Okay, the hygiene conditions is very good and clean. Okay, besides there is you going in the morning like this, that we are going in the morning. Okay, you will get to see the beautiful of sunrise. Okay, again you can see. Okay, last but not least, and that is the most important thing that all people, okay, all students of community here to want to see the sunrise and the others at the top of Bukit Raya. Okay, nature is very beautiful. That's all.
Hi, we meet again, and right now we have arrived our second place. That is Tasik Sintok, or another name is Hidden Lake. The Hidden Lake is a natural lake that exists within the university area. This lake is called Hidden Lake because due to its hidden location from public. This hidden lake was located in the middle of the forest of the Sintok, and is covered by the hill. And can you see? There is the. Can you see? This lake is located on a hill and away from a creek of water source. It's clear and clean water plus the deep wood view adds to the uniqueness of the lake. This lake was never known by the local community. In 2016, this lake became very popular because all the local community was known it. Although this lake was become the public concern, its hygiene and condition are very in control. It is because the management of UN will take care of it, and can you see is the water is very clear, and the hygiene was so cleanly. Okay, for the last is you can see that the green forests are still there, and the cleanliness of the water are very clean because of management of University of Management is take care of it. And you can see this place have the good fresh air, and for the last one is the nature is very beautiful.
Which is Bamboo Palace. Bamboo Palace is located beside the Gatri Lake. As you can see here, they are full of bamboo tree plants here. One of unique reason why it looks so beautiful because each tree are planted in a row. You can look further. Each tree are in a row from, if you can see, in any angle. It brings pleasure to the eyes. Okay, next, one of the famous activity to do here is photography session. Not only residents of UAM that use this place to take picture, there are also visitors from outside. They often to come here to do such as wedding, outdoor wedding photography and photo shoot. It can bring peace to the mind. Nature is beauty. Thank you.
Okay, for the right now, we have done for our video of assessment that state the 3 places that we are going, and
enjoying our video.
Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and likes. Thank you.
See ya.
Bye.